Hey everybody, it's Ron. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Nikon Z50 Mark II as a webcam. That's a new feature in the Z50 Mark II, and all you got to do is use the proper cable and change one setting in the menu. So let me show you where to do that right now. Okay. I have the Z50 Mark II menu up on the screen so you can see what I'm going to do. Now to find this item, you need to scroll down on the left hand side there, down to network, okay? When you get to network, hit your right arrow button on the control pad and scroll all the way down till you see USB right here. Now, when you get the camera, by default, it's up here on MTP, PTP. You need to switch it over to UVC, UAC, okay? And when you do that, just go ahead and say okay. Now your USB-C port will become a transmission port. One important thing here is you must use the included USB-C cable that came with the camera, okay? I have tried some other USB-C cables and they don't seem to work properly, okay? Another thing to note, what you're seeing on the screen right now cannot be obtained through the USB-C port. In order to display menus from the camera, you have to use the HDMI port, and that's a whole different setup, a whole different animal. This is just so you can use your Z50 Mark II as a webcam, okay? One more thing I want to bring up, okay? The audio, you can hook up a external audio source like a wireless microphone, a DJI Mic 2, Rode Wireless Go 2 through the microphone port, okay? Or you can just use the microphone that's in the camera. So to get good audio with the Z50 Mark II, when you're doing webcam, you'll want some kind of external microphone plugged into the microphone jack. Now that is a powered microphone jack, okay? So there is power coming out of it, so depending on your microphone situation. And that's it, okay? That's all you have to do to use your Z50 Mark II as a webcam. I hope that you got some use out of this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on that, please. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more of these videos.